everyone, it's Rachel Smith and
Nora.
Nora. And we are going
Twinsies.
we are going to go show you 43888 Yosemite. Been on the market a couple weeks now. Really cool inside and just some of the most beautiful views that you will catch over in the Moon Ridge area. So come check it out. Okay, so this home is kind of hidden. You would never, I've driven past it so many times and I've never even known that it was here. It's like a secret home, Nora.
Yeah, so then when we're done making the video, we'll go straight down.
Okay, first off, what I see is the lake. I see a little bitty piece of the lake up that way. And so we are actually on Canyon Crest, even though the home is on Yosemite. So we're at the corner of Wolf, Canyon Crest, and we're gonna go down this little driveway right here that looks like several different owners. You know, you've got an owner right here, an owner that pulls off here, but you keep going down. Careful, Nora. It's not that bad of a hill, not too steep. So this is, oh no, I don't want to fall. So right here, down at the bottom, you've got great ski slope views. This would likely be a parking area for this home. Then you've got a little dirt road that's going to take you up to a couple other houses. And then you have this beauty, 43888 Yosemite. So this one is a 3-bedroom home. And it's got this nice D-log on it. The color is sort of like a greenish, taupish brown. Paint job is in really good shape. Very.
Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes, camera.
Oh, the camera has to take off their shoes?
Take the coolers off.
So we've got a nice little covered porch area right here. So you're not gonna get any ice, snow, or anything down here. And let's take our shoes off because that's what Nora requires. No, let's enjoy this upstairs. So you've got this beautiful wood flooring. Oh, I didn't even know there was a bathroom upstairs. Can you show me that bathroom?
Huh? You turn on this light.
Maybe I did notice it was there. It's really just a really clean look in here. Little half bathroom.
Sit on the toilet.
Little
Sit
half.
on the toilet.
Okay, little half bathroom. And then look at this beautiful fireplace. So you've got a lot of areas where you can store wood, decoration, but it's like that pebble rock fireplace.
There's a fire right there.
And it does have a gas starter. Nora, how do you think I know? Where's the gas starter?
Inside.
No, right there. You have a key that you put in there and you turn it and the gas comes on. So nice tongue and groove.
Circle inside.
That's the flue.
What's blue?
A flue is how you let the smoke out. So then we're gonna,
Go in the kitchen.
so they call this home Welcome to Paradise Pines.
Welcome to Paradise Pines.
So check this out.
You're not going outside. You have stinky feet.
I don't have stinky feet.
You're not going outside.
So that is Yosemite down below. So the address of this home is actually on Yosemite. So we've got a nice hardy deck out here where they keep all their patio furniture. They've got a little possible skinny little view of the lake over here too. Yeah, You can see it right through here.
Oh, wow.
And then we've got just beautiful ski slope views. You just feel like you are out. Come on, Nora.
Let me go in first.
Let's look at the kitchen. But it seems like they've freshly painted all the walls very well. Oh, you have things to say?
So, there's a kitchen and paint.
And paint? Oh, they did paint.
Give me one.
No, that's not for Anora. It's got some Formica countertops.
No, I'm counting now.
Do you know what a Formica countertop is? Newer appliances.
I didn't know they painted this house. Sit on the paint. I'm sitting on the paint. Oh, 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 Merry Christmas. Started on the paint. Put it in the house.
Little kids. I like all these little rods.
Wait, Mom, this is not opening. Oh, there's a step right here.
Like
It
a
opens sideways.
Fleming accent.
Mom, look. When I press this thing, it opens sideways.
Okay, let's go see.
Yeah.
Is there another story to this house? Like, is there a downstairs?
Yeah, come here.
Nora, did you know that story means a level, like a upstairs or a downstairs? Did you know that?
Come on.
So the carpet's in really good shape. Again, they did
Hey,
a
no
really
talking. No
good job
talking.
with the paint.
No talking.
Oh.
So down here, there's like lights. Down here,
They have light switches.
to turn it off and on.
Okay.
So there's a bathroom right there.
Can we go check out this bathroom?
No.
Got a nice tile floor.
Stay out of the bathroom.
I want to go check out this bathroom. Fiberglass.
Mom, I see some toes.
Hmm.
I've been touching them.
So, we don't touch them. Okay,
With the
so,
box.
yeah, just let's not touch. Those are other kids' toys. This is a bunk room. So, if this was my house, is this where I would sleep?
No.
No?
This is where the kids will sit.
This is where the kids would sleep.
Flag!
We have an American flag in here, too.
So they can swing it and say, Mom, I need you. I'm going to pee my pants.
Oh, you think that's why people have an American flag?
I'm closing you in.
Let's make sure the locks work.
I locked you in.
Okay, show me the next bedroom.
I locked you in. So over here is a chair right there so you can do your homework.
This is where you would do your homework? No, no, no.
Santa's in there.
Nora's still learning how to show houses.
Santa's in here.
No, you're not going in the... Hey, what did I say? No.
Santa.
Okay, that's not our drawers. It's not our drawers.
It's my door.
So we got a nice little walk-in
Oh,
closet
here's a hot tub.
right
Here's
here.
a hot tub.
No, there's not.
Yeah, come
All their extra linens
Come
in the
here.
closet.
Here. Come.
What did you find?
A hot tub.
Wow.
I
Wow.
didn't know there was a hot tub.
What a great place for a hot tub. Because both bedrooms can
You
get...
can make food here too.
How would you make food here?
Grab a pan, put it on here, grab the food, put the food on here, and make it.
Oh,
Put the
So you can see it goes street to street. So like we mentioned earlier, where that one's parking, their driveway is up off of Yosemite right here. So they are not going to be accessing that same road likely. Or if they do access it, they are not going to park their car there. Can you show me the bathroom? Yeah, they've got a little kid stool. Yeah.
A little baby stool.
A little baby stool.
Oh,
They
look.
have some upgraded.
And this is called.
Get this little part painted.
This is called a master.
You got it right. It's called the master. Why is it called a master? Why? How do you know? How do you know when something's called a master?
I'm going inside.
Oh, look, it's got 2 people shower, Nora. One person can shower over here, and one person can shower over here.
Oh wow.
Wow.
But that turns on that one, and turns on that one, turns on that one, and that one turns on that one.
Yeah, that's crazy.
One right there, one right there. So this is a 2-person shower.
Yeah.
A master 2 shower room.
How do you know when something's a master?
Because there's a bathroom.
Because there's a bathroom in the bedroom? Inside the bedroom.
What the heck?
What'd you find? A mirror? Okay, let's go and see. Should there be another bedroom?
Wheels on the bed on the bottom.
Oh, they have wheels on the bed on the bottom. It's amazing. Amazing.
Wait, right in front of you.
What do you think's in here? Oh, I knew it. I knew it. Laundry. Which is smart because you've got all 3 bedrooms.
Oh,
You've got all 3 bedrooms. That might be another rabbit skin. All 3 bedrooms, downstairs, laundry, downstairs.
I'm trying to close this door.
Good job. Okay, I think we have one more bedroom, right?
Where? Cannonball! Ooh, I
You
didn't
know better.
that.
Oh, nice closet. It's a good roll on the sliding doors. They roll really good. Boop.
Let's go back home.
And then you've got just beautiful views. Can you find the ski slopes from here? Show me where they are. Yeah, you found them. They're beautiful, aren't they? So that is 43888 Yosemite. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,503 square foot, which makes it $511 a square foot. It was built in 2000. Nora, how much money do you think this one is?
$29.
$29.
$29.
It is $769,500. The price is wrong, Nora. It is not $29. Let us know if you want to come take a look. Bye.